Welcome to Godot, your first 3D game awaits. The journey to creating your own 3D game starts here. Have you ever dreamt of creating your own video games? Imagined worlds, characters, and stories coming to life? With Godot Engine, that dream can become a reality. It's the perfect tool to bring your ideas to life. Godot is a powerful and free tool that makes game development fun and accessible for everyone, especially beginners. You don't need any prior experience. What makes Godot so special? Godot is incredibly beginner-friendly. Its interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Its visual interface and easy-to-learn scripting language, GD-script, make it easy to grasp the basics. You can start coding right away. Don't worry if you've never coded before. Godot's intuitive design will guide you every step of the way. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can learn. In this guide, we'll embark on an exciting journey to create a simple 3D game using Godot. From concept to completion, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we dive into the world of game development. Let's make something amazing together. Setting the stage, downloading and installing Godot. Before we start crafting our game, we need to set up our development environment. Head over to the official Godot Engine website, https://godotengine.org/ and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Godot makes the installation process a breeze, so you'll be up and running in no time. After installation, launch Godot, and you'll be greeted by the project manager. This is where you'll create and manage all your game projects. Bringing your game to life. Importing 3D models and textures is a crucial step in game development. Games often rely on visual elements to create immersive experiences that captivate players. Let's add a 3D model and a texture to our project to enhance its visual appeal. First, you'll need to obtain a 3D model file such as .fbx or .obj, and a corresponding texture image like PNG or JPG. You can create your own assets using 3D modeling software or download free assets from various online resources. Once you have your assets, navigate to the File System tab in Godot. Create a new folder called Assets by right-clicking within the panel. To import, simply drag and drop your 3D model and texture files from your computer into the Assets folder within Godot. This process is straightforward and user-friendly. Congratulations, you've successfully imported assets into your game. Now you can start using these assets to build and enrich your game world. Creating your game world, adding objects and positioning them in 3D space. Now let's create a three-dimensional scene where our game will unfold. This is where the magic happens, and your creativity can truly shine. In Godot, you build scenes by combining different types of nodes, each serving a specific purpose. Nodes are the building blocks of your game, and understanding them is key to creating complex scenes. Click the New Scene button and choose 3D Scene. This will set up the basic structure for your three-dimensional environment. You now have a blank three-dimensional canvas. This is your playground where you can start adding objects and shaping your game world. Let's add our imported three-dimensional model to the scene. This model could be anything from a character to an environmental asset. In the File System tab, simply drag and drop your three-dimensional model from the Assets folder directly into the three-dimensional viewport. This makes it easy to organize and access your assets. You can now see your model in the three-dimensional viewport. This is where you can start to see your game world come to life. Feel free to move, rotate, and scale it using the transform tools in the toolbar. These tools give you the flexibility to position your objects exactly where you want them. You can add more instances of your model or import other models to create a richer game world. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Breathing life into your game. Introducing basic scripting with GD-script. Games are more engaging with interactivity. Let's add a simple script to make our three-dimensional model move. In Godot, you use GD-script, a beginner-friendly scripting language. Click on your three-dimensional model in the scene tree, then click the Attach Script button. Choose GD-script and name your script. Now, a script file will open. Inside the script, add the following code. GD-script extends spatial func, process, delta, rotation degrees, plus =1. This simple script rotates the object on its y-axis. Save your script and run the game by pressing F5. You'll see your three-dimensional model spinning. Congratulations, you've just added interactivity using code.